In this video, we'll be doing a strut replacement on a Toyota Camry. First thing you're going to do is remove the front wheel. You can see he popped off that cover with a large screwdriver. Once the wheel is off, you want to disconnect the ABS wire and the brake hose from the brackets that are holding them in. You can see the bolt there that you need to remove. Then you're going to disconnect the upper part of the sway bar link. You may need to put a wrench on that other side if you have a power tool that works. Otherwise, you can use a wrench. Then you're going to remove the strut knuckle bolts. Again, if you have a power tool, this works great, but you can use 2 wrenches to get those loose as well. Once the nuts are off, you can push them through. You might have to wiggle that a little bit to get it lined up so you can pull them out. Then you're going to go under the hood and you're going to remove the 3 nuts that are holding the strut in place, 3 14mm nuts. Then you can remove the strut. You can put the new strut back in underneath, push it through, and reinstall the 3 nuts at 40 foot-pounds each. Now you're going to install the knuckle bolts, and you might have to jiggle that a little bit to push those through. Once you get those bolts through, you're going to tighten those nuts to 155 foot-pounds each. Again, using a wrench to hold the other side so that the bolt doesn't spin. Connect the upper sway bar link and tighten that nut to 55 foot-pounds. Then go back and reconnect the ABS wire and the brake hose to their connecting points and the holders. Then you're going to reinstall the wheel and put the lug nuts on, and you're going to tighten them in the star pattern shown. Once the vehicle is back on the ground, you can torque those lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds each. Put that wheel cap back on, and you're all done.